What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Block Hash podcast channel. Let's talk crypto. Make sure to also check out our channel on Patreon and support us there. Would really appreciate it, guys. Today, we're going to be talking about the Fed rate hike that is incoming. We're expecting it today. Another 25 basis points right after First Republic Bank's failure. Will they actually raise it 25 basis points? Probably. Should they be raising it? No way in hell. So let's dive into this article. Let's understand it a little bit more, what's going on and what has happened with First Republic. So the Federal Reserve is anticipated by investors to again increase interest rates this week following the collapse of another major bank, the third this year. Silicon Valley Bank, Signature Bank, and now First Republic Bank. All closed, seized by regulators on Monday. Not all closed, but First Republic is closed, seized by regulators on Monday. All of its deposits and assets have now become the responsibility of JP Chase following a sale and purchase. All depositors will still have access to their money, but through accounts facilitated through JP Chase. The bank collapse is the second largest bank failure in U.S. history, the second largest, and culminates a rough 2-month stretch that has also included the central bank collapses of Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank, 3 of the 4 largest bank failures ever. Along with Washington Mutual, which went down in 2008 during the banking crisis and was also taken over by JP Chase. Jamie Dimon, chair of JP Chase, said in a statement, "Our government invited us and others to step up, and we did. Our financial strength, capabilities, and business model allowed us to develop and bid to execute the transaction in a way to minimize costs to the deposit insurance fund." Whatever, Jamie Dimon. You know, you should let that bank go under for not managing depositor funds. It's the same thing with FTX. Where are the depositor funds? Why isn't it being managed better? Let it go down. Let it collapse. We don't want that player in the market still. Number one. Number two, JP Morgan is just creating this monopoly. Yeah, I understand that JP Chase is doing well, but the government is just giving them everything. And they're just able to buy it up, and they don't care that it's creating a banking monopoly. You're centralizing all the banking services, all the centralized banking services that exist today in the U.S. into very few hands. That will end badly. It will. This is crazy. Look, 86% probability of a rate hike of 25 basis points today. Between 5 and 5.2%. Highest in September of 2007. Well, what was in 2007, 2008? Oh, the financial recession. The last time we had a banking crisis. Yeah, the similarities are there, guys. Its writing is on the wall in red, velvet, beautiful paint. First Republic shares fell 75% last week. Closed Friday at $3.51 per share. It is as good as a shitcoin. Same thing with Pepe. Don't buy Pepe, guys. It's very similar. Weeks after, shares traded at $115 on March 8th. $115 to $3.51. And I bitch about Filecoin going to like $5 after being as high as like $200, $250. Look, banks can do it too. What would you rather invest in? In the banks and in the dollar or in crypto? Everything shit sometimes. Just how it is. The FOMC meeting is taking place. This article says Wednesday, but it's happening actually today. And yeah, we're expecting that 25 basis point hike. I don't think it's going to amount to any more good. I think we're going to have another bank collapse. I really do. By the time we get to the summer, I already said that. First Republic Bank then collapsed. We probably will have at least one more big one. And they better pivot. They really better pivot on the rate hikes because it is killing our economy. The Fed will also signal that it will likely cut rate hikes as swiftly as the markets may hope. Won't cut them. But they might happen in the first quarter of 2024. So what the Fed's hopefully going to do is pause on the rate hikes, not get so hawkish starting this summer through the rest of the year if everything goes well in their scope. And then they'll start cutting in 2024. But I think the damage is done. He said a million times it hasn't priced into the market fully yet. I think it's starting to price in. It's going to price in even worse. That's just what we're dealing with. So yeah, keep an eye out today for what happens. This will probably allow crypto to rebound. We've had a nice pullback in crypto and Bitcoin. A lot of it is just pricing in this anticipation of the FOMC meeting and the 25 basis point hike. So today, Wednesday, I do expect crypto to have a pretty green day. I'll be a little surprised if it doesn't. Everything's been trending in the right direction. Everything's hyper consolidated, especially in the altcoin market. Something's got to pop soon, guys. Something's got to pop. Anyways, be sure to like the video. Comment your thoughts down below on the FOMC meeting and the Fed rate hike decision. And if you think we're going to pause over the summer, rest of the year, if we're going to cut, if there's going to be another rate hike, let me know what you guys think. I love your guys' opinions and thoughts on this as we go through this journey together. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and support us. Really do appreciate all of my subscribers. And check out the Patreon. Really, really, please, guys, check out the Patreon. We're doing some great stuff there. Lot of additional content. It's like the cost of a cup of coffee, a couple cups of coffee a month. It's nothing. All right, guys. Talk to you soon. Cheers.